This is a question from GATE 2003. It was given by IIT Madras. So it is a very easy question. So it says that the scheme shown in the figure is used for generation of wideband FM from a narrowband FM. So this is a signal xt. It is fed to a multiplier which multiplies the frequency by 5. Then there is a mixer whose input is given by a local oscillator. Then again the mixer output is fed to a multiplier with M, and then the multiplier output is taken as y of t. So this converts xt is a narrowband signal and yt is a wideband signal. So yt is a wideband FM signal and xt is a narrowband FM signal. So first of all, it says that the multiplier box multiplies the input frequency by the factor shown. So the input xt is a narrowband signal of carrier 100 kHz. So the input is a narrowband signal of carrier 100 kHz. So fc is equal to 100 kHz. And the frequency deviation of 25 Hz. So delta f max is 25 Hz. So if we multiply it by a factor 5, so here the fc dash will be equal to, fc will get multiplied by factor 5. So fc dash will be equal to 500 kHz and delta f max will be equal to 125 Hz. So let's write it as delta f max dash. So this becomes equal to 125 Hz. Now this input is given to a multiplexer. So the local oscillator frequency in kilohertz and the multiplication constant m to achieve an output yt with a carrier of 2.0 MHz. So y of t has a carrier frequency. So let's denote it by fc triple dash. This is equal to 2 MHz and a frequency deviation of 1 kHz respectively. So yt has a frequency deviation, let's denote it by fc max triple dash. So this is equal to 1 kHz, or we can write 1000 Hz. So we have to find the local oscillator frequency and the multiplication constant. So we have to find the frequency of this local oscillator and we have to find the value of this m. So now the important point is that when the delta f max frequency deviation at this point is 125 Hz. So the frequency deviation at this point will also be equal to 125 Hz only, because the mixer does not change the frequency deviation. So delta f max double dash will also be equal to 125 Hz only. So, and this is m. So delta f max triple dash has to be equal to m into delta f max double dash, because multiplier multiplies the frequency deviation. So delta f max is given to us as 1000 Hz. So this is equal to 1000 is equal to m, and delta f max double dash is 125 Hz. So m into 125. So from this we can easily find the value of m. So the m will be equal to 8. So m will be equal to 8. So I am writing here 8. Now the fc max triple dash is, now we have solved for m. So we were having 4 options, but options A and B cannot be correct. So we are remaining with 2 options, 750,8 and 1000,8. Now we have found for delta f max double dash. So I am removing this. Now we just have to talk about the fc triple dash. So here fc triple dash is 2 MHz and here fc double dash is, here it is fc double dash. So fc double dash is this frequency. So fc triple dash will be equal to m, and m value is 8, m 8 into fc double dash. fc triple dash will be equal to 8 into fc double dash. So fc triple dash is 2 megahertz, or we can say 2000 kilohertz. So 2000 kilohertz is equal to 8 into fc double dash. So fc double dash will be equal to 250 kilohertz. So fc double dash we have found out to be 250 kilohertz. So we can write this. That fc double dash is 250 kilohertz. Now the output of this mixer. The output of this mixer can be either of these three, which is equal to fc dash plus local oscillator frequency, or fc dash minus local oscillator frequency, or it can be local oscillator frequency minus fc dash. So it can be either of these two, and this is equal to fc double dash. Now fc dash is 500 kilohertz and fc dash is 250 kilohertz. So fc double dash is less than fc dash. fc double dash is less than fc dash. So this option cannot be there, because if this option was there, then fc double dash would have been greater than fc dash. Now we are remaining with two options. So fc double dash is equal to, first we are taking fc double dash is equal to fc dash minus local oscillator frequency. So this gives FLO is equal to fc dash minus fc double dash. So this gives us fc dash is 500 kilohertz. So fc dash is 500 minus 250. So this gives fc dash minus fc double dash, FLO equal to 250 kilohertz. So this is the first option. It gives FLO equal to 250 kilohertz, but 250 is not in the option, so we will ignore this. Now we will look for the second option, that fc double dash is equal to FLO minus fc dash. So FLO is equal to fc double dash plus fc dash. So fc double dash is 250 kilohertz and fc dash is 500 kilohertz. So it gives us 750 kilohertz. So FLO is 750 kilohertz by this option, because FLO is equal to fc dash plus FLO equal to fc double dash plus fc dash. See from here, FLO is equal to fc double dash plus fc dash. So fc double dash is 250 and fc dash is 500. So this gives 750 kilohertz. So 750 kilohertz is the correct answer. Option C. We also got 250 kilohertz, but it was not in the option. So the correct option is option C, 750,8. So option C is the correct answer. So thank you. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel, and please comment in the comment box if you have any doubt. Best of luck for exams.